combination sounds of vowels and consonants with sentences. Number one, bag. Put your shopping into the bag. Cat. The cat ran into the road. Dab. This word is dance. Dab. When the child cut his knee, the mother put a dab of ointment on it. Fat. It was so warm, I had to use my fan to cool down. Gap. There is a gap between this and this. That is the gap. Hat. When it's raining, I wear a hat to keep the rain from my head. Bit. I bit my sandwich. Cigarette. Many people have given up smoking cigarettes. Dim or diamond. As it got darker, the lights became very dim. Fit. The athlete was very fit and healthy. Give. Please give me some water so that I can run down the road and stay healthy. Him or his. Give him some food. Jitter. Jive. He was all of a jitter because the film star had arrived. Bone. Because of the E, bone. So instead of bo and bon, it becomes bone. The dog ate the bone. Con or cone. The child ate the cone of ice cream. Now this word is unusual. That is da. But in English this word is do. This word is don. And this word is done. What would you like to do today? I have done lots of things. Okay, let's try the next page. For. You have English exercises for improving your English. Hot. When the sun shines, the day becomes hot. Jot, jot. When you scribble on a piece of paper, you are said to be jotting down notes. But, but. You can go out in the sun, but you must wear your hat. Cut. The child fell over and cut her leg. Duck. The duck was swimming on the pond. Fun. The children enjoyed playing on the swings. They had lots of fun. Gun. Guns are illegal in England. Hunt. Some hunters go and hunt rabbits. Further combination sounds. Ab, ac, ad, af, ag, al, ac, am, an, ap. But when you put them into words, you get able, or abbot. Ac becomes ace, or account. Add. Now that is add. You can add 3 and 2 to get 5. After. Some English people say after. Agree. Do you agree to leave the shop after you have bought your goods? Allowed. That's a loud noise. But there isn't a word just ack like this, but this word is fake. Fake, and it becomes not ack but ache because of the E there. A fake picture is a forgery. Amount. What amount of money do I owe you for those chocolates? Annex, Anne. Anne went to the annex. App. Apex, or apple. Ed, egg, F, edge, L, M, N, S, X. Ed, as in edit. She edited the newspaper. Egg. He had an egg for breakfast. Effect, effort. He put a lot of effort into colouring the page green. Eject. Eject or eject. He ejected the CD from the machine. Elm, elephant. Elm is the name of a tree. Empty. The fruit machine. No, that's no good. The fruit box was empty. An entrance. To get into the building, you must go by the entrance. This is this is error. Estate. I live on a large estate. Exact. Please give me an exact amount of sweets. No more, no less.